In this video, we will guide you in upgrading the design of your standard SMDC turnover kitchen the easiest way. First, remove all the cabinet door handles. Then install PVC edge banding on the exterior surface of the cabinet doors with a thin layer of E6000 glue. The edge banding should be 1 to 2 inches from the edges, and make sure that the edge banding is covering the holes of the uninstalled door handles. Repaint your cabinet doors with 2 coats of chalk paint, and remember to wait 24 hours in between coats. We recommend chalk paint as it would adhere to the existing laminate finish of the cabinet doors. Chalk paint is available in many colors. In this video, we will be using black. Have a glass supplier install a mirror on the backsplash to make the space look bigger. Then upgrade your cabinet door handles with a design that matches your theme. After that, install a warm white light bar or striplight underneath the overhead cabinet. Add in your kitchen accessories. And you're done. If you need help in sourcing out the materials that was used in this video, please refer to the description box below. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe.